This is the first swarm we've come across this year. We're going to try and get up the tree there and see if we can't catch it. Well, I'm not going up the ladder, John is, but somebody has to stand down below.
Are you good? I don't know what side, I might need you on this side. It's just a little measure, is that okay?
Right up underneath it now, right up underneath it. And a good shake. Okay, down the ladder, slowly. Okay, just a minute, don't go anywhere. Stay right there.
Sheep? Little sheep?
Yep, absolutely. Well, hopefully we got the queen, but if not, they'll go back up and we'll have to catch them again.